Namaste, I am Vandana. Welcome to my channel Vandana Home Cooked Food. Today I teach you everyone how to make the dhokla. Dhokla is the Gujarati food. So let's go and see the ingredients, what ingredients we need for this recipe. So this is the ingredients I need for the dhokla. This is the semolina and oil, vegetable oil, lemon juice, grated ginger 1 teaspoon, lemon juice 2 teaspoon, and this is the 4 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 cup strong yogurt. This is the chili. This is for the garnishing. Chili, coconut powder 2 tablespoon, 1 full hand coriander leaves, and this is the Eno powder, very easy to available any shop. This is the Eno powder, baking soda, this is the asafoetida, green chili we chop in small pieces, mustard seed, curry leaves. So first we make the batter. Batter is ready and batter we leave it for the 30 minutes. Three cups semolina, 1 cup yogurt, two cups water. First I mix. If I need more water, then I add some more water. Lemon juice, grated ginger, turmeric, two big tablespoon oil, I add the salt. Salt is according your taste. Sugar, soda, 1 packet Eno I added. If you have no Eno, then you add the 1 more teaspoon soda. Half green chili I added and half I use later. Another half a cup water I added. And this is just leave it like this. Sorry, I say 30 minutes, not the 30 minutes, 10 to 13 minutes. We leave it like that. So batter is ready now. And now what we do, I use this stand. This is the Italy stand we call. Is easy to available in the market. And I already add the water in the bottom. And this is the plate. I just covered like that and make a hot. So when water start to boiling, I give the high heat now And what I do, there is the plate for the dhokla also. So this is 2-in-1 stand. We make idli, the South Indian food, and this is the Gujarati food, the dhokla. So what we do is just greasing the plate. So I use the same oil, the vegetable oil. Friend, this is not important you buy this idli stand and then you make the dhokla. Very easy, you also make in the pressure cooker or wok. You can use the wok, add the water, put some steel stand and some plates like that, and then you add the water and cover, just like a baking. So in baking time we add the salt, but this time we add the water. So I add this. Other plate also I greasing. So never full up the plate, because this is like puff up, like baking, you know. So just like leave it this ½ inch. Now you see the water start to boiling. I put this plate here like this, and another plate also I put, and just cover. This is I cook for 30 minutes, but low, not low heat, a medium heat. Every 10 minutes check. So now I check. See, I think this is done. I check already 2 times, so I just check like this. This is the knife. So when we put knife inside like this, it's very dry. This means this is done. So now turn off the gas. Just leave it like this 5 minutes. And other side I make the tadka. One tablespoon oil. Any oil use it. So now we wait for the hot oil. Then oil get hot, we add the spices. Friends, this is the sugar here, 1½ teaspoon sugar, and I add the water, so like 1 cup water. This is the optional. If you like this sugar water added in this tadka, you can do. But already I add the sugar when I make this batter, the dhokla batter. This is asafoetida. Mustard seed, asafoetida, I added same time. Green chili. And this is the curry leaves. If you have no curry leaves, it's okay. Add the coriander leaves, garnishing leaves. But coriander we don't add in the oil. Coriander we add for the garnishing. And the sugar water I added. So this will be not cooked, just like a 1 minute. 1 minute. And now I just take this out. So here I just gas off. This is done. The tadka is ready, and I take this plate out. Take carefully because this is very hot. Now what I do, with knife, I just do like that. And cut a square piece. See, this is ready. And now I just added this water, the tadka we call, and just garnishing with coconut, fresh coriander and green chili. So this is the coconut. I have no fresh coconut, but also we use fresh coconut in this recipe. So now this is ready, and now I do the plating. So now plating is ready. My dhokla is ready, and this is very spongy and very nice color is come for the dhokla. Please friend, if you like my videos, like and subscribe, and also press the bell icon so you find the more notification for my videos. Thank you so much everyone. This dhokla is ready, Gujarati dhokla.